Okay, I want to take just a couple of minutes to show you how quick and easy recycling wire can be using the new Zoda Wire Stripper. Comes with a base and 8 different wire guides. Each guide is designed to accommodate wire gauges anywhere from 8 to 16 gauge. The only thing you'll need is just your standard utility knife. Utility knife fits in like this with this barrel nut, which comes with the tool. It just screws right in. And now you're ready. The Zoda tool comes with everything you need except for the utility knife. It's just a standard utility knife with a hole at the end so the binding post can go through it. The reason we don't include utility knife is we figured anybody who's going to be wanting the tool like this will already have at least 2 or 3 of them. So in order to keep costs down, we decided not to include the utility knife with the tool. It also has 2 mounting places if you want to screw it down to your workbench. Which makes it a little bit easier. The Zoda tool comes with a wire guide that's marked cable on the side, and that's for the Romex type wire that's used mostly in residential applications. This one wire guide will accommodate the 10, 12, and 14 gauge Romex type wire. This is a 10 gauge that I've got here. You just slide it in like you did with the others. Put it into the tool, snap it in place. Just slide it through, put the blade down in place, pull, now all the wire that we're doing here is all cut to 5-foot lengths. We did that just for demonstration purpose. But as you can see with the tool, you can do just about any length you want. 20 feet, 50 feet, 100 feet, whatever. It's just a continuous pull. Alright, we got the ground wire out. Take out the guide that's marked cable. Get the one for the 10 gauge. And just do the same thing. Slide it in place. Lock it down. And pull the wire through. Quick and easy. Grab the second piece, just do the same thing. Thread it in through the back. Pull it through. And again, these are just 5-foot pieces just for demonstration purpose. But if you had a 1,000-foot piece of wire, there's no reason why you couldn't get your buddy to start walking out with it. Alright, like I say, that was a 10 gauge. I've also got a 14 gauge. And again, you just swap out the wire guides. Get the one marked cable. Lock it in place. pull. And if you'll notice, every time any type of wire that you strip, the cutting blade itself is buried down into the wire guide. I'm not going to say that you're not going to get cut, but it's going to be hard. Get the right wire guide here. Again, this is the 14 gauge. Snap it in place. Pull. And I think I said this before, this is the hardest part, is finding the cut. Trash goes in the trash can, and you got nice shiny copper wire for the recycler. You're going to get top dollar for it. He's going to be happy because he's got nice clean copper wire that he can resell. You're going to be happy because you're going to get top dollar for it. It's just a win-win situation for everybody. There you go. Now granted, copper is a precious metal. Prices for it fluctuate daily. But with this tool, it will probably pay for itself the first time you use it. So, thanks for watching, and order yours today.